I learned this trick today from a cleaning professional. She revealed the secret to make my house smell luxurious and keep the fragrance lasting for many days. It's very simple, and to start our tip today, let's add coarse salt to a cup. Well, fill the cup almost to the top with coarse salt, as I'm doing now. After learning this secret, my house smells rich and stays fragrant for days. This mixture has made every room in my house smell rich. You'll probably be surprised by the result, and all your visitors will ask you what the secret is to having your house smell so rich. This trick has improved every room in my house. I use it in the kitchen, in the office, and especially in the bathroom. We'll add the fabric softener. We'll cover and mix until the salt dissolves. The fabric softener is the secret to the rich aroma throughout the house. You can also change the fabric softener fragrance to give each area a unique and unforgettable scent for your guests. And before I forget, let me know which city you're tuning in from so I can send you a big hug. Today's big hug goes to Lisbeth in Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our cleaning tips. My house is always ready to receive guests with this simple mixture. It surprises everyone. My children love it. The ideal amount of fabric softener is just 2 caps. It's enough to give your home that rich aroma it deserves. This simple mixture will keep your home smelling rich for at least 30 days, and you won't have to worry about bad odors anymore. Even strong odors like dog and cat urine will become unnoticeable in your home. After applying this secret, let's stir it one final time. We're also going to use a file. The file is the second most important secret in this recipe. We squeeze the 2 halves until all the liquid is extracted. You can repeat the process and distribute it in all the rooms. In my home, I have a different scent in each room. Tell me if you've tried any tricks using fabric softener and coarse salt. Now let's use scent diffusers that will help spread the scent of our mixture. We can use a lot. Just the simple act of placing some scent nails in a corner of each room already improves the fragrance throughout the house. In this mixture with fabric softener and coarse salt, the scent becomes simply perfect. I can use plenty of scent nails in our mixture to make the fragrance simply perfect. If you've made it this far, leave home emojis so I know you've seen the full video. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.